Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify online store to Facebook Pixel. So Facebook Pixel is going to help you to gather all the data that you will need in order to find out whether the ads that you're putting on your Facebook for your certain web page is going to work or not, the amount of conversion you get from that ads, etc. Because Facebook Pixels or pixels in general is going to record all of the events or all of the activities that is happening on your website. So to do that, you're going to want to have a Shopify account first. You're going to want to set up your Shopify shop first, and you will also need Facebook business account. So make sure that you have the business account one instead of the personal one. I already have mine right here. I also have my Facebook page. It's called Sunshine's Market, and I also connected my Facebook to my Instagram so that if I ever want to create an Instagram shop and I would like to sell to my Instagram shop, it's going to be easier for me to create ads, to maintain, again, to take a look at the conversion of my ads, etc. with the Facebook business account. So those are the two things that you will need in order to connect your Shopify account to your Facebook Pixel. So after you do that, you can go ahead and go to the next step. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Shopify, and you're going to find on this app sections right here, and you're going to want to click on all recommended apps. And what it does is that it's going to bring you to Shopify App Store. You can go ahead and click on Shopify App Stores right here. And over here, you'll be able to find all of the apps that you will need. But the apps that we're going to need today is obviously it's going to be Facebook apps. So go ahead and click on. So go ahead and type on Facebook. And then once you do that, a bunch of apps will appear on the result. And the one that you will want to work with is this one, the one that is officially from Facebook and Instagram. So you're going to want to try to find this Facebook and Instagram app. And after you found it, you can go ahead and click on install. Mine says open app because I already installed mine. But if you haven't, you can go ahead and click on installs, and then allows Shopify to install this app into your store. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on open app because again, I already installed mine. All right, once you've finished installing your Facebook and Instagram's app, it's going to bring you to the sections right here. So this is where you can start and connect your Shopify store to your Facebook pixels. And what it's going to happen is it's going to leverage your shop. It's going to optimize ads for better conversion, and it's also going to be able to collect emails and run promos. And it's going to show you the product comparison if you do shops and ads compared to if you do ads only. And if you click on this icon symbol right here, it's going to show you more explanations. It says that this features allows you to have an in-app checkout and runs ad that sends people to your website and shop, depending on where they're most likely to purchase. Meanwhile, ads only says that it's formerly known as dynamic ads. Meta Advantage plus catalog ads use machines learning to scale your ads when you have a broad range or large volume of products. And there's also all of the other things that you can take a look at. You can go ahead and pause the video if you want, or you can just read it on your own website. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Started. And here it's going to ask you to set up the shop. First, you're going to want to connect your Facebook account. And this is why in the beginning of the video, I told you that you will need a business Facebook account, because this will only work if you're using your business account. So go ahead and create one if you haven't. I've already have mine, so I can go ahead and connect it. Once it's connected, it's going to be able to read your business assets. Again, as I said before, I've already connected my Instagram to my Facebook. That's why I have two business assets, which is my Instagram as well as my Facebook. And my Instagram account is also a professional or a business Instagram account instead of the personal one. That's why it's also read as the business assets. So I'm going to go ahead and connect both of them. You can actually choose whether you want to connect only one of the account or you want to do both. I'm just going to go ahead and click on connect both. And then it's going to show you the data sharing preferences. So they have 3 levels of data sharing. It says that Shopify will keep your setting up to date with the most appropriate and effective ad technologies. So to make it simple, basically, the more data you allow this app to share or this app to read, the better your data collections will be. So this data shared system right here is basically going to collect the data for the customers or for people who comes to your website, and then it's going to curate it so that the next time they're going to put your ads, they're going to make sure to aim it to the right person. And those data of who's coming, who's buying your product, who's taking a look at your page is going to be some sort of consideration for them to curate your niche of customer. So you can also see that there is a notification that says that this option shares your customers' personal data to help them understand how it's used to power relevant advertising in Facebook. You can read this useful Facebook resources for more info, and it also says that you have to make sure that your privacy policy reflects how you use personal data, including how it's shared with and used by third parties like Facebook. So you can use whichever data sharing preferences you want. Again, the more data you share, the better your conversion will be most of the time. But I'm just going to go ahead and go with the enhanced one. And if you click on view the details, it's going to show on what we can see. So it says that it's going to, the Facebook pixel is going to read the page and product views, item edit and remove from cart, search items, customer click ID, customer agent ID, payment information, initiated checkout, purchase, customer name, emails and address. Meanwhile, on the maximum one, the pixel is going to be able to see the page and product views, items added or removed from carts, search terms, customer click ID, customer agent ID. It's basically mostly the same. There are just like 1 or 2 details that are added, such as this one. We'll be able to see the phone numbers. We couldn't see it on the enhanced one. I'm just going to go ahead and use this one and then click on save. Then it's going to ask you to connect a pixel to track customers' behavior. Going to go ahead and click on create new. Alright, so I got the Sunshine's Market pixels here. Then click on confirm. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on agree. Then submit for review. Alright, now that I've done with the review and it's got approved, just going to go ahead and click on done. And here I can start and customize my shop if I want to, and it's going to bring me back to my business account. So to check whether your pixels is working or not, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your Facebook business account, and then you're going to want to click on settings. And once you're here, you're going to want to scroll down and you will find this data source options. Go ahead and click on pixels, and here you'll be able to take a look at your Facebook pixels. Alright, so you want to take a look at this pixels ID right here, and on your Shopify, on the Facebook and Instagram app, you're going to want to go to the settings, and then you're going to want to check on this number right here. You can see 1455700 ending with 3390, and you want to see if it's the same. 1455700 3390. So the pixel is already connected. Now we know that both of them is working. So yeah, now you got your Shopify connected to your Facebook pixels. And that's basically it. That is how you can connect your Shopify store to Facebook pixels. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.